Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be teaching how to achieve the perfect rice. Let's get into it. So first you want to put some water on fire, and then not too much, just a little bit. You cover the water and allow to boil. So that's tip number 1. Make sure your water boils. Okay, next tip, I'll be using just 1 cup of rice. So you want to make sure that you check if your water is boiling, and then you add some salt. So after adding in your salt, you go in with the rice, and the next tip is to stir your rice. Stir the rice, and the next tip is to make sure that the water is not too much. Note, you can always add more water, but you can't take out. Okay, so you add the water and then you cover and allow to cook. And then the next thing you want to do is to check up on the rice. If it has a little moisture, you want to cover with a kitchen towel and just allow it to do its thing. You set the heat to the lowest at this point, and finally your rice is as good as done. No stress. Okay, so next time try this and let me know. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all. Bye.